Hello students, today our topic is nutrition in living organisms, animals and man. In this module, we will learn about steps of animal nutrition, different mode of nutrition and also about modes of nutrition used by heterotrophs. As we know that plants can prepare their own food and are called autotrophs. Animals cannot prepare their food and are called heterotrophs. Animals eat complex food materials but break it down into simpler forms in their bodies. Their body gets the required nutrition through the three main steps shown below. First one is mode of intake of food. This means how the animals intake their food. Second is food requirement or food habit. This means what are their food. Basically this is about what they eat. Third one is utilization in the body. This means how the food is utilized in the body. Now about modes of intake of food. The method of taking in food is different in different organisms. For example, a sparrow has a short beak to pick up seeds and worms. The second one is the long tubular beak of the hummingbird helps it to suck nectar from the flowers. Third one, the cow has sharp incisors and flat molar teeth that help it to cut and grind plant materials. Fourth one, the jaws of snakes enable them to swallow animals that are larger than them in size. This shows that the relevant parts of their body get modified in a manner that makes it easy for them to eat their food. Now about food habits of animals. On the basis of their food habits, animals have been categorized into three different categories. The animals which eat only plant materials are called herbivores. Examples are cow, deer, etc. The animals which eat only other animals are called carnivores. Examples are lion, tiger, leopard, etc. Third one, the animals which eat both animals and plant materials are called omnivores. Examples are bear, rat, human being, etc. Now about mode of nutrition. Mode of nutrition is the way by which an organism obtains and utilizes its food. The nutrition requirements of heterotrophs are met by them in three different ways. These three modes of nutrition are: number 1, saprotrophic nutrition; number 2, parasitic nutrition; number 3, holozoic nutrition. Examples of saprotrophic: fungi, bacteria; parasitic, roundworms, tapeworms, flea, etc. Holozoic, amoeba, human being, etc. Now in detail we will know about this. First, saprotrophic nutrition. The mode of nutrition in which an organism obtains its nutrients from dead and decaying plants and animals matter is called saprotrophic nutrition. Here we can see that mushroom, a fungus, grows on dead and decaying matter. Second one is parasitic nutrition. The mode of nutrition in which the organism obtains food from other living organisms, that is host of a different group, is known as parasitic nutrition. Here we can see that flea, worms, headlouse suck nutrition from the host. Third one is holozoic nutrition. The mode of nutrition in which organisms eat food that may be in solid or liquid state. The food is taken into the body and then it is broken down or digested to provide the required nutrition to the body. Here in the picture, amoeba, a microorganism, and human beings take in food in solid or liquid form and then digest it. Now summary. What we have learned? We learned that animal nutrition includes nutrient requirement, mode of intake of food, utilization of food in the body. We also learned about heterotrophic nutrition is of three types: saprotrophic, parasitic and holozoic. Thank you.